Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Janet from Crafts and Collage, and I apologize ahead of time if my voice is difficult to hear. I have the air conditioning running because it's hot as blazes here today, so I guess the summer has started, so that noise that you hear in the background will be in every video from here till the end of September probably. Today's quick video is a flip through of my composition notebook, Dream Big, Live Bigger. It's one of these lined notebooks. I'm saving the last couple of double pages. I'm going to do some personal memorial spreads for some folks and some critters that I'm missing terribly, so that's what these last couple of pages are saved for. Otherwise, this book is done and you helped me to finish it. So let's take a look real quick. I'm not going to drag it on. I'm not going to force you to watch a whole draggy thing. I'm sorry about the glare. These LED lights tend to glare like that, especially on magazine print. This page I left for notes, so that will have my closing notes. I always leave in different books I finish, whether they're sketchbooks or notebooks or journals or whatever. I always tend to put some closing notes about how I felt working in it, how long it took, any changes in me or my feelings through working in the book, things like that. So that's what that page is for. These are personal notes. I did some writing in this book to begin with. Optimism. Every day is an opportunity for renewal. I love that. Kisses and hugs. Love it. People sometimes laugh about the fact that I'll spend a Gluebook page or a collage page with just one image, just because I love the image. But what better way to put it into a place that I love than gluing it into one of my Gluebook workbooks. I love them. I love each and every one of them. Is there a right time? I loved that. And this is when the big pandy came out. I believe that's one of the cells. Something big is happening. Came out. This is our purple page we did together. Do you remember? Beautiful page. And the blue page, love that. I love these monocolor. This is the beige. Absolutely enjoyed thoroughly doing this set. And the yellow, love it. And the green. I didn't want it all to be just trees. I have got file folders full of trees and forests and castle pictures and so on, all very green, but I wanted to do something a little bit more than that. And this was a fun image to do. I enjoyed that. What a cute face she has. And the yellow page. Let's eat. Food for thought. Oh, back fence. I thoroughly enjoyed this book. Oh my goodness. It's like no place on earth. I believe that's Scotland. Little villages, narrow streets, and tiny shops. Yeah, this was an enjoyable book. Reflections. I love this one, using the paint can as a canvas, and then this is a China ad from Gourmet magazine. It was a pattern in China. That's a beautiful pattern, but that's what it is an advertisement for China. Buildings. And faces that got weird on that one, but otherwise it was a fun kind of page to do. Something fun. That was a what's on my desk page. Let's use what's on my desk. As was this one, I believe. That was a fun one. A lot of fun. And these were in there from before I started filming these pages. This one I absolutely love. Just love. And this one, the travel page we did recently. and this one, and this one, and we're done. Like I said, the last 2 or 3 double sections are going to be personal memorials, so I wanted to do the flip through first. Everybody have a great evening.